Hello, we are HHD. We have a single-minded focus to deliver an amazing robot.
After a whole year of planning and research, with countless trials and errors, we finally finished our prototype, the Ganker, which is a next-generation fighting robot. With our application, you can control Ganker at high speeds. You can fight with your friends by a fair and sensitive scoring system. You can even customize your robot's actions, weapons, and armors. The customizable Ganker is a robot of your own design, bringing your dreams to life. You can play Ganker with your family at home, at parties with your friends, and even in our robot tournaments around the world. With the Ganker, we bring to you a brand new entertainment experience.
Robo Chameleon. Move, aim, and catch. Meet the most colorful and cute robot animal. Use the remote control to shoot out his tongue. Instant changing light effects with funny rotating eyes. Aim and catch. Change colors in the blink of an eye. Fast and smart, this little fellow goes around and wants to play with you. Robo Chameleon will catch your eye and your heart. Aim for fun. Robo Chameleon by SilverLit.
All RC cars can drive, but only one can drive and roll.
This is what I call the triple R. Race, roll, recover.
Press this button to transform from driving mode to rolling attack mode, or vice versa.
Oh, he's down. Watch this. If I press this button, he's back up, and we're back to rolling, guys.
Stunt Shot is coming at ya! The all-new indoor RC that'll have you bouncing off the walls. Stunt where you never could before. Dinner table. Dad's laptop. The piano. Your pet. Even on Granny. Super soft wheels let you stunt hard with zero damage. The non-stop over-the-top action will have you spinning. You'll flip with Stunt Shot RC from AirHogs RC Super Soft.
The all-new all-surface vehicles that you build and unleash with treads that shred. Power treads flip, grip, and roam all over your home. First, customize your power treads ASV. Next, create your own custom course with the power treads track set. Keep them close for more control, or expand them out for more challenging routes. The bigger the scale, the more epic the trail. And what's even better, powering up the Power Tracker. Now, track around without knocking stuff down, or power through. It's all up to you. You can even add treads and stickers that glow. For challenging races in super dark spaces, there's over 1,001 Power Treads ways to unleash the fun. Power Treads arrives this fall.